guys to open together.
I'm gonna name him Nibbles.
Nibbles? Let's think about it.
Who starts? Who keeps it? Where?
Put it right here. Okay, I want you to open together, okay?
One.
This is kind of for the family.
Who wrapped it? Who wrapped it? Nintendo Switch! Can we play Mario Odyssey when we're done? Can we play Mario Odyssey when we're done?
I don't know.
I know how
What do
to
you
play.
think?
Thank you. So
Were you expecting that?
No.
No.
It's $100. Do you think I would buy it? No.
It's not happening because it's too much. And
But
we
there's
got
a commercial
too much
on-
expensive stuff. I got that iPod, the headphones. So there was like no way to. We're gonna have to get this.
At Target, it said that everything was
So
percent
look, I
off.
got it.
Percent off, and the Nintendo Switch was one of them.
No. How do you open these things? I don't have nails. Wrap it.
Movie.
I wrapped it. Here you go.
1, 2,
It's not a movie.
oh. 1, 2,
What is this?
Oh, it's a game.
What is it for? I got Mario Odyssey.
What is 1, 2 Switch?
It's a bunch of fun games. Look on the back. It's all fun games you can play on here.
Oh, quick!
Look,
go!
guys, grab a Joy can and can go wild.
So there's a
Quick draw, milk a cow, dance off,
Dad, just
wizard
look at
blast,
this.
sword fight.
Give Daddy a hug.
It goes
Daddy
all
bought it for you.
different plates.
I can't wait to go to New
Give me a hug!
All right. Love you. Mwah.
I'm gonna try to get to New Console.
Was that the best Christmas ever?
Yes.